Now that we've removed the bowl from the lathe, we can sand the back side where it was glued to the wooden plank, and we can start by using an electrical sander to leave the surface as flat as possible. Here you can see I'm using the sander vertically since I needed it to be in that position for another project, but you can adjust the sander horizontally and it will be much easier to work that way. We can sand the outer part by hand again using all our sandpapers until the surface is completely flat and without any leftovers from the other wood. When you're happy with that, we can continue to apply some oil. The last step to finish our bowl is to apply some Danish oil. Danish oil is an amazing product that will not only highlight the natural beauty of the wood, but also protect the surface from moisture. When applying Danish oil, make sure to use some latex gloves and a brush, as well as to place a piece of cardboard below the bowl to prevent any oil from staining your furniture or workbench. Apply 3 coats of oil and let it dry for about a day to the sun. When you finish, your bowl should have a lovely appearance and is ready to use or as an amazing gift. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the final project for this class. See you there. Great! So in this class you've learned how to make a wooden bowl using traditional wood turning techniques. We went from preparing our wooden pieces and installing them to the lathe, removing material on the inside and outside of the bowl, and finishing our project with a nice Danish oil. As you can see, this project is very simple to make and is actually quite relaxing. You don't need a lot of woodworking tools, but do need to have precautions when using the machines, especially the cutters and saws. There's no limit in the type of wood you can use for this project. Maple boards are beautiful, and since they're very hard, turning them becomes easy with the help of the lathe and well-sharpened cutters. Now it's time for you to build your own wooden bowl. Get creative in the process and explore different heights and shapes. Thank you so much for watching this class. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.